Brandy, and I'm gonna be filming my 4-day weekend. So it's leading up to July 4th, and we're gonna get crazy. So I hope you guys enjoy.
Hey. Truck to the plane, to the truck,
we're at the 4th of July
touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area's cold in my phone. What numbers do I still have? Say she got a man, hit another one, it goes green. Must have changed foes on the team. Remember when you let me in between? That was 2017. All good, chuck a look around. Found one to see my type. That my dog and he know what I like. He done found me plenty in my life. Problem is I meet a girl tonight, then I go and treat her too nice. Galleria credit card swipes. I don't even know if she a wife, but I do know one thing though. Women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday through Sunday, yo. Maybe I'll love you one day, maybe we'll someday grow. Till then, I'll sit my drunk ass on that runway, on this one way. 2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beach? Early, maybe later. You know what it is, I'm busy. Miami City, she blowing me kisses, no.
You better on the first date. I should have said what's wrong in the first place. I don't, cause you always taking it the wrong way. Only seem too busy communicating. I always been down, but you still sleep. Even though I said now you should have been me. But if you lose myself, yeah, so deep, you should know that about me. I just turned down your avenue. I had to, but I'm mad at you. Always say I got an attitude, oh.
Big and lit, turn up.
Yeah, but that's you was acting rude. I had to ask you if you had a few, cause you always say I got an attitude, oh. Why you talking to me like you be like? Why you always wanna be right? Oh, I just need the time that you can't find. I just need to know that it's still mine.
Howdy, so I'm getting a massage in like 2 hours, and I'm at this store called Make Man. I need me some more bowls because I messed mine up last night, but that's another story for another time. But yeah, I have 4 minutes left on this SD card, so I'm gonna show you the rest of my evening. It's so hot outside, like it's hot as bleep. It's like so hot. That's all I want to say.
You always say I got an attitude. So I'm the one that's out of place. I'm the one that's in no way. I don't care. I'm so spoiled. So I'm the one that need a break. Can we stay in my place? You the one that came home late.
That massage was 10 out of 10. We're at the beach. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoy.